Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. In this video, we will see how we can create a product and how we can release our product to multiple legal entities. Okay, so let me open Notepad here. So what we'll do, we'll simply create a product and then we'll release our product. We'll simply release to multiple legal entities. Okay, alright, so let me go to system here. So I'll go to my product information management first. I can go to I will collapse and I will go to my product and I will click on my product here. Okay, so here what I can do, I can simply create my product, and if you see all this product, they will be available across all the legal entities. Okay, I'll click on new. Here you can see the type as item and service. Okay, so for inventory we use item, for service like if we simply need to do a kind of financial transaction, so at the time we typically select that, and here we'll select product and here we'll provide a product number. So I will call it as demo P. Okay, and I can copy same thing here, I can paste it, or let me put since it's a number, right, so it is good to write in number format, and inside my product name I will write the actual name of my product. So I will call it as demo product. Okay, I will copy the same into my search name. Then here I can select any retail category, but for now I will skip that. And again, if your item will be a catch weight item. Okay, so once I will fill all the information, I am good and I will click OK. Okay, now if you see, your product is ready. Okay, but as I said, this is a global product. Now what I will do, I will quickly assign my dimension group here. So I'll go with this site and warehouse. Inside my tracking dimension, I will simply select none. Alright, so I have assigned dimension now. Now what I can do, I can simply click on this release product, and here I will simply click on next, and it will list down me what in which all legal entity you want to release it. So I'm going to select my USMF and USRT, these two legal entities. I will simply click on next. Again it will show me, okay, I've selected one product, it is going to be released to two companies. If in case I got any error message, I will simply click on show info log upon failure, and again if I want to run it as batch, but I will skip that and I will finish this. Okay, so now what I will do, in the meantime I will open different tabs just to show you, and if you can see, the operation is completed. Okay, now I will navigate to my release product form. Okay, let me simply go to my product information, release product. Okay, here I will simply search for this product, and if you can see, in second number I have this product available in my USMF legal entity. Okay, now I will try to switch my legal entity to USRT. Okay, I will hit enter. So again I will put a filter in my item number, that is 11, 22, 33, and you can see in the second number this product is also available there. Okay, so if I will search for any other legal entity, let me say DEMF. Okay, if I will try to search the same product in my DEMF legal entity, so it shouldn't be available there, because I haven't released that product, correct? So if you see here, nothing found. Okay, so this is how you generally create your product and you release your product to multiple legal entities. Okay, again, like if you see product here, I will search here, and if you see, I'm into this USMF, but I can see this this DEMF product. like this will not be available in apart from USMF and USRT. It will not be available. Yeah, at the product level it will be, but not at the release product level. If I go to product here, if I will search here, I will able to get it, right? Because this is a shared across the legal entities. Okay, whereas the release product are specific to my legal entities, and usually you create transaction in your release product only, right, that are specific to company. So we have completed everything. We created a product and we release our product to multiple legal entities. Thank you for watching this video.